In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Slack. If you want to expand what Slack can do for your team, adding apps is a great place to start. Integrations can help you connect tools you already use, automate notifications, and make collaboration a lot smoother without leaving Slack. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process of finding an app and adding it to your workspace. To begin, open Slack and look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, find the section labeled Agents and Apps and select it. This area is where Slack organizes tools, integrations, and connected services. So it's the starting point for managing apps in your workspace. Once you're in that section, click Connect Apps. This will take you to the place where you can browse available integrations for Slack. If you're doing this for the first time, you may notice a marketplace style page where apps are listed with descriptions and options to connect them. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, choose the app you want to add. In this example, we're using Zoom, but the same general process applies to many other Slack apps as well. When selecting an app, it's helpful to confirm that it matches the tool your team actually uses, since some apps may have similar names or multiple versions. Opening the correct app page will make the next step much easier. After that, click Add to Slack. This is the main action that starts the connection between Slack and the app you selected. At this point, Slack may open a setup page or redirect you to the app's integration screen, depending on how that specific app handles installation. Finally, click Add Now for Zoom for all members. This step confirms that the app should be added to the Slack workspace and made available more broadly, rather than only for a limited setup. Depending on your workspace permissions, you may need the appropriate access to complete this action. If you don't have permission, Slack may ask an admin to approve the installation. And that's it. Once the app is added, you can usually return to Slack and start using its features right away, or complete any additional setup the app requires. If you're adding other apps in the future, just follow the same path through Agents and Apps, connect the app, choose the one you want, and approve the installation.